in any online business, you're going to get stuck. Okay, promoting. You can, do social media, obviously, Facebook and TikTok, Instagram. Make business cards. You can make flyers. You can do mailers, email like a maniac. But at the end of the day, man, you're going to kind of burn yourself out. Okay? And it's kind of a good thing. That means you're trying. It means you're doing something. A lot of people join a business. They, I don't know, do their best efforts for about, 1 to 2 weeks. And then by the 30th day, they're just done. Call that business a piece of poop, and then maybe go and buy another course or a product or join something, to resell. But anyway, in my experience, which has been a couple years now, I guess I did get a brain fog. I kind of ran out of a handful of ideas of what to do. But what I was not doing was emailing. Okay? Emailing to me is like a 90s thing. You've got mail. Then I think I had Cory at AOL.com. Then I bought CoryDraper.com. So I got Cory at CoryDraper.com email. Oh my God, 35 years ago, I think. Like, long time ago, early 90s, if I remember right. But when you get emails, aren't you in your mind like, okay, junk, spam, probably 90% of the email you just kind of delete. Do you look at your keyboard, or does your thumb hurt from hitting to delete when you check your emails and I'm the type of person, I have to clean it out. I want my inbox, and I even want my spam folder and my delete folder clear. Drives me crazy when I have a bunch of crap in there. Okay, so a couple years ago when I started this online business thing, I never thought emails would be effective. All right, took a few months, and then, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, I ran into this business I'm going to show you. And I'm so glad I did, because it boosted my income. I would say, like, is it Grant Cardone 10X's? I definitely 10X'd. All right, that means if I was making $100, I started making $1,000. Then I started making a few grand. And then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And when I started making well over 10K a month, I was freaking out because I was doing the same effort when I was making like $100 a month. Sometimes none. Okay? If you're going to email, I recommend this exact way I'm going to show you. Okay? So first, let me shrink myself down. I want you to go to orderleadstoday.com. The word order leads with an S, orderleadstoday.com. You're going to go to this page right here that I have on my screen. Okay? I just want you to watch this little YouTube video. You're going to see exactly what I do. Okay? And if you like what you see, you can join MLGS now. It's $1 a day, guys. It's $30. Okay? If you don't have a budget of $30, I don't know how you're going to make money online, because obviously when you have an online business or a home business or just a normal business, you got to spend a little bit of bucks. Okay? So you got a cell phone, maybe you got electricity, you got internet access. Come on now. But if you're going to email like a maniac and get 1 to 200 email leads a day for only $1, or 3 to 6,000 email leads for only $30 for the month, that's a good thing. High five, man. Come on, high five me right now through your cell phone or your home computer screen, okay? So, what's the mission? Okay, just watch. Orderleadstoday.com. Go ahead and hit enter. You're going to go to this page. Please watch this YouTube video. Okay, it is awesome. All right, right now I have 7 accounts with this company, because $30 times 7 is 210. Guys, I make way, 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 way more than that, okay, with all my online businesses. So you can go ahead and join. You just have to go ahead and get a different email address. But even if you have your own debit card or cell phone number, no big deal. Okay, you don't have to have all these different, credit cards, debit cards, and all these other things if you want to have multiple accounts with this company. Okay, you just have to have a different email address, and that's it. Same name, same home address, same credit card or debit card, okay? But start with one account first. Orderleadstoday.com. Watch this video, okay? And if you want to join, go to Join MLGS now. And when you do, you're going to get a screen like this when you log in, And that MLGS, it's my lead gen secret. They've been around a long time, guys. This is no fly-by-night or fluke, all right? This company puts about $2,500 a month in my pocket just as an affiliate right now. That doesn't even include the 10, 20, 5,000 leads they supply me every 30 days. Okay, just take baby steps. That's what I did. Join. Go ahead and get 1 to 200 email leads a day, and then you're going to get really good at going to the mailing system tab here. First thing you're going to do is watch this little link. Click here to watch training video. All it does is show you how to make a video. It can be fancy or just basic like I do. You're going to go right here and just hit select all. And look at this, guys, 117,300 emails I can send with this company with one click. They handle the spam, the inbox, all the crap. They keep you legit. And remember, every email that you're sending out are people requesting home businesses, how to make money at home, how to make money on their cell phone, online business, okay? You're not offending anybody by sending, I hope you're sending a business opportunity, okay? You're not sending out, you want to buy a pizza, okay? So if you're in an MLM or an affiliate marketing company, or you have your own product, let's say you wrote a how-to book, or maybe you do have some cool products for sale. It's up to you. Just remember, each person, they're looking for a way to make money on their computer or at home. How to make money, okay? So, saved emails. I have over 150, almost 200 emails I can send you, okay? So don't be shy. Go ahead, get a hold of me. Cory at CoryDraper.com. You'll see my email at the end of the video here, just below the video. And all you do is just put a subject in, say hello to the owner there, watch his little video. And when you want to send a email out, you're just going to go ahead and highlight, read these little words here in the box and then just delete. You're going to put a little email in here, and you can make them fancy if you want. I just do basic ones. I don't do pictures and everything else. I just have basic chat, a link. Thanks for your time. Goodbye. All right. Perfect timing. If you hit this little button there, guess what? This company can tell when is the most popular time that each person they email opens their email. So some people get up in the morning, let's say at 6 or 7, have breakfast, check their emails in the morning, then go to work. This software can tell when's the most popular time you go to your email. So if, let's say noon Eastern here in America, if I click this perfect timing, this company will not send that person an email till probably around 11:55 in the morning, so that when they get to the computer or their cell phone and open up their email, it'd be nice if my email is right at the top. Okay, you don't have to click this button. It's free, but why not? I think it's a good idea to email a person when they most commonly open up their email browser. And guys, it could be all throughout the day. I check my email all day. Okay, but it doesn't hurt to click that. Write an email. Click perfect timing. All you got to do is put a subject in there. If you don't know subjects, if you don't know how to write an email, don't worry. I'll send you 150 plus. And guys, you can see, here's just subject examples. Read this real quick. I have room now. Let me know. Let's talk Monday. Why now is the perfect time? Okay, what are you doing at noon? These subjects seem to get my emails open. And my emails, if they're written kind of short and sweet and interesting, they will go ahead and click my link to my business opportunity. Okay? I will gladly send you 150. Soon I'm going to have about 200 emails. All right? I don't want a dime, guys. I will send you my email examples. All you got to do is put your name, maybe your contact information, and the link to your business on each email you send out. And that's easy. Okay? And this company, like I said, 1 to 200 business opportunity email leads a day. And then every 23 hours, not 24, every 23 hours, a clock starts and counts down. And when it hits 00, you can go ahead and email again. Okay? So every 23, 24 hours, I have an email already written. Okay? So when my timer expires, and I like to send my emails out like every day. Obviously. Now, if I'm camping or fishing or hiking, or let's say I'm laying in bed tired, if I don't email every day, the world doesn't come to an end. But I love emailing every day. I've got over 150,000 emails going out every 24 hours, guys. Like I said, I have 7 accounts with this company. I just showed you how to do it on one account. Well, if you have 2 businesses, all right, then get a second account. Or if you just want to do mass emailings like I do, you don't want to do video, you're kind of shy, you don't want to hand out business cards to your opportunity. One of mine is joincory.com. Oh, or whatever. All right, whatever you want to lead each business opportunity lead to, okay, it's up to you. But anyway, I'm just willing to send you a bunch of emails that have worked for me. Okay, so just to repeat, looks like I'm at the 10-minute mark right now. So why don't I go ahead and just show you one more time. If you don't mind going to orderleadstoday.com. Okay, go there real quick and just watch the video. Okay, it's fun. It shows you more in depth about what exactly I do. So if you have a business and you guys are stuck and have no idea what to do, please look into this. There's nothing like sending out thousands of emails every 24 hours. And if you're getting success, then go ahead and get another account. All you do is just need a different email address, and you can go to Gmail and open up 5 or 10 free ones in 10, 20 minutes. Okay, it's up to you. Guys, thanks for your time. Orderleadstoday.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? And I'm not shy. You can email me anytime. Cory@CoryDraper.com. Thanks, guys. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Bye.